The key criteria of nearly every prestige waterfront purchaser is a combination of a northerly aspect, a world-class Pitwater view, a wide water frontage, boating facilities, and good access. This one has it all. Hi, I'm James Baker from McGrath Pitwater, and along with my colleague Lauren Garner, we're absolutely thrilled to take you through this unrivaled waterfront property set on a double block. This is 86 to 88 Prince Alfred Parade in Newport. Set at the tip of Saltpan Point, it's one of the most private land holdings on Pitwater, with 32 metres of water frontage, along with a jetty, slipway and working boathouse. It's also one of those rare opportunities that boasts a pool right on the shoreline. This one's extraordinary, with resort-like dimensions and all-day sun. The residence is a Pitwater classic with clean architectural lines, updated interiors, and a super versatile dual-level floor plan. The main floor is open and smartly finished, with extensive glazing taking full advantage of views from Bayview up to Lion Island. The interiors are flooded with natural light and sea breezes off Pitwater. This home enjoys a sunny northwest aspect, staying cool all summer and cosy in winter months. There are 4 bedrooms upstairs, including the master suite on this floor, along with a contemporary Korean kitchen with lots of storage space. Down below is a fully self-contained suite with an additional 2 bedrooms and study. It's DA approved and ideal for teens, extended family, or as a holiday rental. The block is extraordinary. The views are phenomenal, and having the added bonus of a private jetty, a working boathouse and pool make this one of the most exciting waterfront opportunities you'll come across this year. As you can see, this is an amazing opportunity. The wide water frontage, the easy access, and those incredible views. Both Lauren and I can't wait to show you through.